The Peugeot 406 is a large family car made by the French automaker Peugeot from 1995 to 2004. Available in saloon, estate and coupe copyright body styles with a choice of petrol or turbodiesel engines, the 406 replaced the Peugeot 405 in Peugeot's lineup, and was itself replaced by the Peugeot 407. It used the same platform as the Citroën Xantia, though without that car's sophisticated hydropneumatic suspension system. The project, the styling of the 406 is heavily influenced by its predecessor, the 405, which began to be phased out from the 406's launch in the autumn of 1995, and finished production in Europe in 1997 when the last estate models were discontinued. Sales of the 406 began in Britain in February 1996. 1. Initially, the car was available with 1.8L and 2.0L petrol and 1.9L turbodiesel engines, followed by a 110 bhp 2.1L turbodiesel, turbocharged 2.0L and 3.0L petrol V6 engines. The diesel versions were very popular, and the 406 became one of Europe's best-selling diesel-powered cars. The two-door coupe copyright was both designed and manufactured by Italian design studio Pininfarina, with choices of a 2.0L four-cylinder engine or a 3.0L V6, and from 2001, a 2.2L HDI diesel engine. On later models, a 2.2L petrol engine was available. Total of 107,633 coupe copyright S were made. For its final year on sale in the United Kingdom, the model was simply called the Peugeot Coupe Copyright, with the 406 branding dropped from the name. The 406 was notably successful in the United Kingdom, having broken into the key UK fleet sales market, with a high percentage of units becoming company cars and taxis. In 2002, a Peugeot 406 HDI set the world record for the longest distance driven on a single tank of fuel. The car travelled across Australia between Melbourne to Rockhampton, with a total distance of 2,348 km. 2-3 knockdown kit versions of the car were also built at the Yontrikit Industrial Factory in Lat Krabang, Bangkok, Thailand. Engines, facelift. The facelifted 406 sedan was introduced in 1999 and safety, strength and speed enhancements resulted in improved Euro NCAP performance. Where the old 406 had 1 star and a struck-off star, the post-facelift models gained 3 stars. The changes included the new and improved DWDW engine family HDI with greater power, torque and fuel efficiency along with increased refinement, making it comparatively quiet for a diesel. A downside was an increase in the car's insurance group from 9 to 12. The exterior look was amended as the 406 featured more pronounced rips, clear headlights, chrome trim and a new honeycomb grille. The rear lights were finished in red with a strip of the car's paint color across the center. The interior was also redesigned to improve comfort and space. New equipment included automated digital climate control air conditioning on most models except the most basic and a multi-function display for warning messages, trip computer, radio and external temperature. There was a more extensive use of wooden trim, better quality plastics, including soft touch plastics, and in addition some models received electrically folding mirrors, with automatic headlights and wipers. The top-of-the-range executive model was specified a 10-speaker JBL sound system, electrically adjusted and heated leather seats, a memory position for the seats and mirrors, headlight washer jets, a rear sun blind, thicker carpeting, lights in the sun visors, satellite navigation and ambient lighting. 406 ended production in 2004. Movie appearances. The 406 Saloon was featured in the French Taxi movie series. In Taxi the 406 has a modified 3.0 V6 capable of tremendous speed and a pop-out front and rear spoiler. Taxi 2 featured the facelifted 406 which also had pop-out spoiler but with a different front bumper, and wings to aid aerial movement, such as when the car jumps over French army tanks when racing against Mitsubishi Lancer Evolutions of the Japanese Yakuza. In the movie it is capable of reaching a top speed of 306 km/h. In Taxi 3, the 406 is further upgraded to be able to travel in icy terrain. The fourth movie Taxi 4 features a 407 instead. More gadgets and pop-out spoilers were added. A Peugeot 406 also featured heavily in the 1998 action film Ronin, which is noted for its car chase scenes. The car was driven in the final car chase throughout the streets of Paris by the main protagonists, Robert De Niro and Jean Reno. The 406 Coupé featured in the French movie La Boulette, in which the Coupe copyright is the main vehicle in a police chase through Paris. Awards: the 406 was awarded 1996 What Car? Car of the Year and 1996 and 2001 Caravan Club Tow Car of the Year, as well as being awarded Semper Right Irish Car of the Year for 1997. However, it lost out by a narrow margin of 15 points in the 1996 European Car of the Year award to the Fiat Bravo Brava. Laurent Hilo won the 1997 Super Tourenwagen Cup season driving a 406. References. External links: Peugeot's official website with pictures of concept cars.